Tara, and today we will be making a pina colada smoothie. Let's head to the kitchen. You want to wear your gloves. And now the ingredients are pineapples, fruit punch juice, and some ice. So now we are going to add all of these ingredients in the blender. Make sure your blender, you washed it. I am going to be adding everything. Now the ice part. Okay, I think it's a little watery. Oops, sorry. Okay. Now for the fruit punch. You want to add it to 3 cups. If you have a measurement on the blender. Now you want to cover the lid on your blender and make sure everything's plugged in and ready to go. You want to put it on low. And you want to check it a few times because it's a smoothie, so you want it to be thick and icy. So I think it's ready. Yes. Now you want to pour it into the cup. And that's how you make a pina colada smoothie. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye! Also, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bells. Bye! See you on the next video! Hey guys, it's Tara, and today we are going to be making a pina colada.